Welcome back. I am John Najarian, and this is 3 at 3 for May 4th, 2022. I'm going to be talking about unusual option activity with you. These are trades that we've seen during the trading session that occurred on the offer. And as we say all the time, the reason that's important is that indicates to us that somebody bought the option. It's a completely different story if the person is an option seller. But again, buyers are looking for a leveraged bet to the upside in the case of calls or the downside in the case of puts. A seller of an option can only make what they have sold that option naked for. So if you sell an option for $1.10, that's the maximum profit. If you buy an option for $1.10, option could go to $5, $10, $20. So that is why we're tracking the unusual buying activity in options. Let's start today with silver, SLV, because it's a very big trade, because the Fed's speaking right now here at, as we go through the day. We know that the Fed is one of the catalysts, and I don't believe they want to drive us into a recession. But nonetheless, when the interest rates go up, generally, some of these bright, shiny objects like silver and gold don't do as well. But we see a purchase of 50,000 of the next week expiring May 21 calls. That's what the stock just shy of 20, which indicates to me that perhaps it's more than just a trade for Fed Day today. Maybe it's a trade that whatever happens, market gets shaken a little bit and then goes back to work in favor of the silver bulls. 50,000 is a lot. That's 5 million share equivalent. So we're going to be keeping a close eye on this. I am, in full disclosure, long calls in SLV. Also, if you'd like to learn more about what we're doing on a daily basis, well, who better than my brother Pete to describe for you exactly what we do. Pete will be showing you how to follow the smart money. You'll see, as detailed right here, how to trade unusual activity like Pete. It's a free webinar. It is today at the market close. Today at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. So please, if you'd like to attend a free webinar and see how we trade, by all means, sign up now at marketrebellion.com. Just go over to our website, marketrebellion.com, and you can sign up right now for free. Thank you. Second trade, how about Virgin Galactic, Space, SPCE? 777, it's a good number sometimes at a slot machine. We're hoping this is a slot machine. These calls expire on Friday. So they bought the May 6th expiration 8-strike call. So just at the money call, paid 29 cents. So something happens between now and Friday. Well, like earnings maybe. These calls rock and roll. So it's a cheap shot, 29 cents. If it doesn't work, you've probably spent more than that, which is $29, of course, for every one call, because every option's for 100 shares of stock. But you've probably spent, who knows, 5 times that much on a pair of jeans. Would you be willing to take a shot on a great earnings report out of SPCE? Perhaps. And I am in these calls as well. Letting you know about Rebelcon. This is our in-person conference, which will be in Dallas, Texas. Dallas, Texas, 21st through 24th of September. You can join us and a whole bunch of luminaries from the financial markets down in the heart of Texas, Dallas, at the Four Seasons Resort in Las Colinas. Packages are available that include your hotel room, as well as barbecue, the golf tournament that we're going to have. We've got so much going on, folks. Check it out. You can go to marketrebellion.com/Dallas to learn more. That's marketrebellion.com/Dallas. Tickets will sell out we're only offering 1/4 as many seats in Dallas as we had in Vegas last year. FCX, this is bullish buying with the stock just below 40. They're buying the July 48 calls. So that's May, June, July, a full quarter, 90 days into the future for these particular calls that are 20% out of the money, above the market. So that's something you want to take advantage of? Well, you could by buying and participating right at that strike, the July 48 calls, or you could buy, like me, the 40 calls, which is what I bought, with the intention of selling those higher strikes against it as it rallies. They paid 99 cents for an $8 out of the money call. I'll spend $1 and try to be in a call spread where I own this one, sell the higher strike against it 1-to-1. That's how I trade like the smart money. You can check that out at marketrebellion.com/get started. You can also check out CryptoConvo. CryptoConvo is conversations with leaders in cryptocurrencies, whether it's decentralized autonomous organizations, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Luna, whatever your flavor of altcoin may be, or perhaps even like the CEO of Tracer. I've interviewed them all. I will continue to interview them and put those conversations up for you for free at CryptoConvo.com. That's CryptoConvo.com. One more extra one I'm throwing at you today is lithium, LTHM, lithium, bullish call buying. Stock's 28.50. They're buying the May 30 calls that expire in 2 weeks and 3 days. So 13,000 of these May 30 calls bought on the offer. That's a lot. That's 1.3 million. I like it. You know that everybody wants lithium. They want it for EVs, electric vehicles. They need it for hybrid vehicles like the Prius and so forth. That's a hybrid. It's not full EV. It is not just a plug-in, but a plug-in hybrid in some cases. But most of the Priuses, of course, have that regenerative braking that puts that energy back into the batteries that sit under the floorboards. Well, lithium, LTHM, big buying with the stock at 28.50. They're buying the 30 calls that expire in 2 weeks and a couple days. Thank you for joining me today, folks. If you would like to learn more, go to marketrebellion.com. Sign up for that webinar with Pete. It is free. Already 7,400 of you have done it. Please go there now and sign up because we can handle over 10,000 in that webinar completely free. You can attend and hear exactly what Pete's talking about for free, and or you can learn more about our offerings by going to marketrebellion.com/get started. That's marketrebellion.com/get started. All right. Have a great day. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bang.